Hey guys, our question is cannot use mutating member on immutable value. Now this means let constant. Now when it is come to let, it is a immutable type of variable here that's declared as ARR names. What does this mean, immutable? Immutable means once that variable declared, it is contents cannot be changed later, right? For that we have to set this variable into a mutable variable. For that we can go ahead and use var instead of let. I hope you understand that clearly. If we use let here, that means this variable becomes immutable. So its contents cannot be changed later.